And here's the crazy part, they still need more stations. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful technologies of 2026, shaping robotics, autonomous vehicles, drones, even farming, Geonet. It's the world's largest RTK network, and if you've never heard of it, you're gonna understand why thousands of people rely on it every single day. We're talking about 20,000 base stations and real partnerships, real use cases, and real rewards if you decide to host a station of your own. Let's go. So what is Geonet? It's the world's largest RTK network with over 20,000 stations in 170 countries and 11,000 cities, and they're looking for more. Now, let's break that down in plain English. When it comes to GPS, the accuracy level is around a few meters. You know, it's really not precise. It's not that great. But with the RTK network, which Geonet has the largest, the accuracy level is within centimeters. Now, why is this important? Because when it comes to robots, autonomous vehicles, agricultural tractors, drones, even your lawnmower, these are going to benefit much more from precise positioning, location, down to the centimeter, when opposed to meters. And instead of relying on a handful of government or corporate RTK towers, Geonet went the decentralized route and allowed thousands of people, just like you and me, to set up our own Geonet antennas, growing the world's largest, most dense, and most robust, one more, most used RTK network.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Now, why is this important? Really, the RTK network is starting to become a requirement, not a luxury. And as I go over a few of these examples, I want you to think about it and list some more examples in the comments down below. Autonomous drones need precise landing and navigation. Robot mowers need to know exactly where they are in your yard. Tractors need centimeter accuracy for planting and harvesting. Surveyors need reliable corrections everywhere they go. Underground utility mapping requires pinpoint accuracy. Geonet solves all this by building a massive, robust RTK network in 170 countries and 11,000 cities. Maybe you need to check your city. Is anyone currently using this? Short answer, yes. Lots. This isn't vaporware. Geonet has real partnerships across robotics, agriculture, surveying, and autonomous systems. These are real companies using Geonet right now, not just some future promise. And once again, let's talk about the network size, because Geonet literally is the largest RTK network on Earth, and I don't see how anyone could ever catch up. Once again, 20,000 base stations in 170 countries and over 11,000 cities. And here's the crazy part, they still need more stations. Coverage density equals accuracy. So more stations equals better service. Now let's talk about the part that everyone always asks about, the rewards. Right now, on average, a Geonet station is going to earn just over 1 Geonet token a day. But if you place your station in a stable hex, you're going to earn 6 times the rewards. You're also going to get a 1,000 Geonet token airdrop. That is a huge incentive for people to go and place their stations within these stable hex. To find these stable hexes, you're just going to go to the Geonet coverage map. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. You also want to make sure that there is not another Geonet station within your hex, or you're not going to receive full rewards. And of course, I'm not telling you to go out there and buy a Geonet miner. I'm not telling you to go and purchase the Geonet token. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. And it's been a lot of fun watching the Geonet's token growth over the past few months. We have had pumps from 20 to 30, even 40%. Now, Geonet is one of the tokens within the depend niche that isn't down like 90%. So I will take any pump that I can get. And we're seeing these pumps because Geonet is just continuing to grow. They're not staying stagnant in the water. They're getting a lot of attention and recently have been listed on some major exchanges. And of course, new partnerships, rapid expansion of the network, more enterprise adoption, as well as the growing demand for RTK services within robotics, drones, AI, and that demand is only going to continue to grow. And if you are looking to purchase the Geonet token, remember, once again, this is not financial advice, but the Geonet token is so popular, it's listed on major exchanges. You can literally go over there to Coinbase and buy a bag within like 5 minutes. But not financial advice. And of course, you can just set up your own Geonet antenna and stack up Geonet tokens every single day, completely passive. And if you get one of those stable hexes, you're gonna earn 6x the rewards plus get that airdrop. Now, remember, you're gonna need to check your hex and make sure there isn't another Geonet device, or you're gonna have to split the rewards. But if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It's also gonna have my coupon code that's gonna save you a couple bucks. So that's Geonet, a massive RTK network powering robotics, drones, autonomous vehicles, agriculture, and so much more. With over 20,000 stations, real partnership across multiple industries, this is one of the most practical real-world blockchain projects out there, hands down. So that's pretty much going to do it for the RTK network. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Tech Hustler. Peace.